Generally, motel rooms with permanent cooking facilities are not considered multifamily dwellings. Multifamily dwellings are residential buildings that contain two or more separate living units under one roof. Each unit has its own independent entrance, kitchen, bathroom, and living spaces. Motel rooms are typically designed for transient occupancy, which means short-term stays. Motel rooms may have cooking facilities, for example, microwaves, mini-fridges, and toaster ovens for convenience, but these facilities are not typically as extensive as in residential kitchens. Motel rooms often lack the full complement of amenities found in residential units, such as separate bedrooms and in-unit laundry. Motel rooms are generally classified as commercial buildings because they are primarily intended for business use, for example, overnight lodging. While motel rooms may be used for residential purposes, they are not typically considered residential dwellings due to their transient nature and lack of full amenities. In some cases, motel rooms that have been converted into permanent residences with substantial renovations and additions, for example full kitchens and separate bedrooms, may be considered multifamily dwellings. However, this would likely require a change in the building's classification and occupancy type. Based on the information provided, the inspector's conclusion that motel rooms with permanent cooking facilities are commercial buildings, not multifamily dwellings, is likely correct.